Want to apply discounts at checkout without the hassle of typing out long promo codes? Manually entering discount codes is slow, prone to typos, and holds up your checkout line. With Shopify, it's easy. You can turn any active discount into a scannable QR code directly from your Shopify admin. Just open your discount, click to get a shareable link, and download the custom QR code that's instantly generated for you. You can share this QR code with your customers everywhere, in email campaigns, text messages, printed in-store signage, or on event flyers. When a customer brings it in-store, just tap the scanner in Shopify POS, scan their QR code, and the discount is instantly applied to their cart. It's the perfect way to run weekend promos, reward your VIP customers, or offer exclusive event discounts. Speed up your checkout and boost sales with QR code discounts on Shopify POS.